Have you ever seen a photo that looked real but was actually made by a computer? That's the magic of GANs, Generative Adversarial Networks. Think of GANs like a game between two players, a forger and a detective. The forger is called the generator. Its job is to create fake images, like fake paintings or photos, trying to make them look as real as possible. The detective is called the discriminator. It looks at both real and fake images and tries to tell them apart. Here's the cool part. Every time the generator fools the discriminator, it gets better at creating even more realistic images. And every time the discriminator catches a fake, it gets better at spotting fakes. They compete with each other again and again, like an art forger and an art expert constantly improving. Over time, the forger gets so good that even humans might not tell the difference. That's how GANs can create hyper-realistic images, art, fake faces, even voices. So in simple terms, a GAN is a smart way of teaching computers to be creative by making two parts fight and learn from each other. Thanks.